I welcome you back to this channel. Now here is my base for this pattern. So right now I'm going to start. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert into the second loop with triple crochet. So right here, what I'm making here is the border of this pattern. So I always like 4 triple crochet. Sorry, let me take that. But it's not fixed. You may decide to make yours 5, even less than 4, like 3. So, but I prefer 4. As you can see, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm okay with this. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. I yarn over. I'm going to count 3 at the base. 1, 2, 3. With triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert in the same loop, triple crochet. So 1, 2. I count 1, 2, 3. Triple crochet. Sorry. So as you can see, I'm going to make 4 triple crochet across the loops here. So I have 1 already. Triple crochet, 2, 3, and 4. So I proceed again. I chain 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Triple crochet, 1, 2. Can you see? It's my triangular shape or loop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to go on this row till I complete it. As you can see. So as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I proceed again. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in this second loop. Next, can you see the border? Now I proceed 1, 2. So in this loop, I'm going to make a pod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I bring it out gently. I proceed 1, 2. I insert here, triple crochet, So I chain 2, 1, 2. I move into this where I make another pod, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert here in this loop, triple crochet, so this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. Can you see I've completed the round? So I proceed, I chain 3, 1, 2, 3, second loop, triple crochet, next, triple crochet, next, triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So here I'm going to insert the hook, triple crochet, 1, 2. Still in this loop, triple crochet, 1, 2. So this time around I'm going to insert right here with triple crochet, I proceed. Can you see? Triple crochet, next, triple crochet, next, triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. So I insert here, triple crochet, 1, 2. Still in the same loop, triple crochet, 1, 2. I insert like so with triple crochet. Triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert here where I'm going to make my triangular loop, triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert still in the same loop, triple crochet. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. Can you see? Can you see? I've completed the round. So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop the triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. I make my pod here in this loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert here, triple crochet. I proceed. Next loop, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. I make another pod right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I bring it out. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert here as I continue. Next loop, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. Can you see the pattern? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. So as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So I proceed again. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert second loop with triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert here, triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2, still in the same loop right here. You see, so I chain 2, 1, 2, I proceed, triple crochet, triple crochet, so I chain 2, 1, 2, I insert here, triple crochet, 1, 2, one, 2, triple crochet. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. So can you see? So I'm going to skip this. So that is why you will see when I proceed. Okay, I've come to the end of this tutorial. Can you see this pattern? Very beautiful and unique. It's something you can make yourself. If you watch this video to the end, I'm assuring you that you will get it. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. I really appreciate you all. And if you like this video, kindly click on the liking button below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you very much once again. And if this is your first time you watch my video, I welcome you to this channel. Here is a channel you can learn a lot. I mean a lot. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button below and you click on the notification bell to put it on so that you can have access to my videos. Thank you very much. Till I come your way again, bye for now.